July 6, 2026. Daily Bread. Passage. Psalm chapter 47 verse 1 to 9. Key verse. Verse 9. Title. Gentiles assemble as God's people. Bible passage. Clap your hands, all peoples. Shout to God with loud songs of joy. For the Lord, the Most High, is to be feared, a great king over all the earth. He subdued peoples under us, and nations under our feet. He chose our heritage for us, the pride of Jacob whom he loves. Selah. God has gone up with a shout, the Lord with the sound of a trumpet. Sing praises to God, sing praises. Sing praises to our King, sing praises. For God is the King of all the earth, sing praises with a psalm. God reigns over the nations, God sits on his holy throne. The princes of the peoples gather as the people of the God of Abraham. For the shields of the earth belong to God, he is highly exalted. Daily Bread message. The psalm begins with, "Clap your hands, all you nations, shout to God with cries of joy." This psalm is the Old Testament anticipation of New Testament evangelism. We read in verse 9a, "The nobles of the nations assemble as the people of the God of Abraham, for the kings of the earth belong to God." It is the fulfillment of God's promise to Abraham in Genesis 12 verses 2 and 3. But we know nations are in rebellion against God. The nations will come to God's fold through evangelism. Evangelism is spiritual warfare. God himself is the king who leads his people to battles against nations and brings victories. If we interpret verse 3, he subdued nations under us, peoples under our feet. As God's favoritism shown to Israel, we miss the point. God's ultimate purpose of putting Gentiles under their feet is to assemble them as his people. God's chosen people must not be proud but thank him for choosing them as his instruments. Cf. Rom 6:13. When Gentiles, even their nobles and kings, assemble as God's people, God is greatly exalted. When we see God highly exalted, we shout to God with cries of joy. Prayer. Father, thank you for the vision and hope of world evangelism. We can't do it by our own power, but you can. Amen. One word. God reigns over nations.